Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule a remote start for your Ford vehicle using the FordPass app on your smartphone. Now, the actual process of setting this up on your phone is super easy. Before we get into that, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with one of your friends or family members who lives up north and is probably living in single digits right now. And I'm speaking from personal experience. When I lived in Indiana, there would be times where I had to actually get to my truck 20 to 30 minutes before I actually needed to be leaving my house to go where I was going to be going because my door might have been frozen shut, or it might have taken 15 minutes to start the actual car. So this will be super helpful for people who live in climates like that, or just anybody who maybe lives in a hot climate and wants to get their AC going so by the time they get in their car, it's nice and cooled down. But without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So, first thing you'll need to do is obviously open up the FordPass on your phone. Your vehicle should already be linked. If it is not, all you'll need is the vehicle's VIN number to link it, but that's pretty straightforward to set up. Then you'll go ahead and select Vehicle at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and then click on Scheduled Start. As you can see here, I have no scheduled starts. If you're watching this, chances are you don't have any either. So the easiest way to do that is to click Add Start, and you can go ahead and if you want to, it only be Monday through Friday, because like Monday through Friday you're going to your day job or whatever, and you have to leave the house by 7 a.m. So you want your vehicle to start and get warmed up at 6:30 a.m. You can go ahead and set it for 6:30 a.m. repeating on weekdays, and go ahead and click Save. And without you doing anything else, your truck will always start at 6:30 a.m. Monday through Friday. And if you decide for whatever reason that you want to go a different route, to turn it off, all you have to do is click this button right here to turn it off. You can even open it and delete this template altogether. So there you guys have it. There's the whole process. Very straightforward, very easy, just like I said at the beginning of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful to y'all, please give this video a like. It really does help me out, and it lets me know that you guys enjoy these types of tutorial videos, and lets me know that I should make more of them in the future. If you guys do have any specific suggestions, or if you wanted to learn anything else about the FordPass app, please drop it down in the comments below. I would be more than happy to make one of those videos for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!